friends. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know we certainly did. We had a lot to cram in a week and a half. My grandkids were here. My daughter came a little later. And so our Christmas has just gotten over just a few days ago. But I'm slowly undecorating and trying to find a place for everything. And before I did that, I want to share with you some of the wonderful gifts I received at Christmas this year. I share this every year, and I always preface by saying this is not bragging or boasting in any way. It's just sharing and giving you ideas of maybe gifts that you could give someone. I love to see what other people get, and that's how we learn about new things. Let's get started, and I'll show you some of my favorite gifts. All right, the first thing I want to share with you is I got what's called a jackpot candle. It's banana nut bread. It smells delicious without a doubt. But what's inside of this is a little foil packet, and what I'll find is a ring or a necklace. Now my daughter already told me she ordered me the ring, and when you go online you do have to know the size ring that the recipient is. But if it's a necklace, it's just a necklace. But I'm not exactly sure. I think it's between 20 and 200 the jewelry that you get. And so I'm excited to see what's in my jackpot candle. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I will share that in a day or two when I burn this. And she said you just light it, and once it liquefies, you can take some tweezers or something, pick out the little foil packet that the jewelry's in there. But it's jackpotcandles.com. The next thing was really thoughtful for my husband. On my Christmas list, I had asked for a new set of crafting scissors. Now, I really wanted some Tim Holtz scissors, but I didn't get those, but that's okay. And they also have a really nice set at Costco, but he was really thoughtful and went to a store called thelefthand.com. And I think there's an S, thelefthand.com. And he got me some left-handed scissors. You might could go on there and see what all other kind of left-handed things they have. You'd be surprised. All right, the next thing I got was a little crafty thing. It's called the melting pot. And what you do is, this is great for when you do wreaths and things, and you put a glue stick in there and it melts into this little reservoir, and then that way you can just stick the little fake the little flower stems into your wreath or whatever you're hot gluing it on. But it's called the melting pot, and I believe he got that at Amazon. Not exactly sure, but it's less than $15. And I did ask for a hot glue skillet, but he got this instead. But that's okay, and I will definitely use it. Now, my daughter and husband know I'm a big lotion person. I love Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works. My favorite is Love Spell, so I only use the Love Spell for special occasions, but these other are Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret, and I just love those lotions. I put that on every night. All right, one of the things on my Christmas list, I love Urban Decay lipstick, and I asked for one of their lipstick palettes, and my husband had no idea what he was buying, but I told him exactly what I wanted, and sure enough, he came through. It's real pretty metallic, and let me open it up here, and those are the colors. Real pretty. I think it's called Blackmail palette, something like that. I needed some new measuring spoons, and I love these. I didn't even ask for this kind, but the collapsible, I mean, how neat is this? There's no brand on it, but even these measuring spoons, you know, after 10 years, you just need a new set. So I really love those, and I've seen these like at Walmart and places, so that's a really neat gift for someone that might need a replacement. Now, I didn't ask for this. This was quite a surprise. It was a whole 4-piece set of this Copper Chef cookware. I've used it several times this past week and love it. I mean, it is really no stick. And the cookbook that come with it, wonderful recipes like stuffed pork chops, baked dips, and things like that. But let me show you. I can't show you the little Dutch oven that comes with it because I have soup on the stove right now, but it comes with a Dutch oven, 11-inch square frying pan. This is a 10-inch. So 4 pieces and 2 lids. I really like it, and it's at Walmart, and I just happened to see it the other day. It's about $50, so what a super nice gift for someone that may need pots and pans. I didn't need any pots and pans, but he just saw those and wanted to get them. Now, I did ask for some nesting bowls. My bowls had just seen better days, and you know, the OXO brand, like from Bath, and I think Target may sell this. The Good Grips, nice 3 sets. It's got the rubber bottom and a rubber handle, super nice. And he did tell me these were about $25 for this set of nesting bowls. Hopefully these will last several years. I know my other ones did, but what a super nice gift, these bowls. Now this was for my mother-in-law. Of course, who doesn't love brownies? But I'm anxious to try this. This is one of those red copper brownie pans. It kind of matches my set over here of the Copper Chef. How neat is this? It comes with like this thing you push down in it and it automatically cuts the brownies. So that's pretty neat. That's a nice gift to have. Now we still trade gifts with my husband's grown siblings, and this is what my sister-in-law gave me, this really neat distressed denim purse. I've never heard of this brand. It's Mona B, but I just love it with the chains. It looks so great for the fall or winter. She always picks out some of the greatest gifts for me, and I always love what she gives me. But this great front pocket for my phone, so I'm really looking forward to that. I had told my husband I would like a gold necklace, and he got me this beautiful gold rope necklace with cross charm with little diamonds in it. Just love that. Worn that a time or two. One of my Bunko girls, this was a gift I just want to share with you that I just love. She got everybody one, so I don't think they're terribly expensive, but this is that snap jewelry where it comes off. If you don't want to splurge on like a Pandora, this is something you could get somebody. You could, any special occasion, get them a snap to go on it, and it totally changes the look of the bracelet. So I just love that. She gave everyone one with her initial on it. So cute, and Tracy was so sweet for getting everyone of those. But I just love that, and I'm going to really enjoy that this year. Another sweet friend of mine gave me some wiener dog earrings, and just so happened I have the matching necklace exactly for that. Another thing on my Christmas list was I needed a new sterling silver necklace. I'd asked for a gold necklace and a silver necklace because I wear both, and my husband got me one, but he said I went ahead and got you a charm to go with it, and so now I have another wiener dog charm. It's not like the earrings, dog necklaces. Anybody that has, you know, pet, loves their dogs, would love to have a charm. Like if they have a Scotty dog or something like that, they would love to have a little Scotty dog charm. Just an idea. And last but not least, I have worn a Fitbit for the last couple of years. I just wanted an upgrade. So my husband, I had a Charge HR with the heart rate, and I wanted one that was just a little more feminine looking. I had asked for an iWatch, but then I really kind of retracted that because I didn't want to lose my Fitbit friends, and that does make a difference. So he got me the Alta HR. What I love about this is that now I can change the bands. What he bought was what's called the Costco bundle. It came with the Alta HR, and it came with two, a gray and a mauve and a black band. And then now I can go on Etsy and get those really pretty beaded bands that look like jewelry if I want to dress it up. So it takes a little getting used to because the display is a little different from my other one, but I really like it, and it's not near as masculine looking as the Charge HR, so just a little thinner looking. So that's it, friends. Got some good ideas for you. I hope that you're enjoying your things that you got, and I'll be back in a couple days with a really cute project. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.